Okay, continuing on, the first platform, bottommost platform, the second floor. So, we've got some issues going on here with this connection back to the wall. We want to make sure that that connection is tight. Verify those through bolts and seal those openings in the wall. And you can see just a lot of paint that's going to be done. And you can see here, if I can get the lighting properly, but that this whole underside of the platform railings all rusted. Try to get that in there. You can see, I move it kind of slowly. You can see right there, and that's on every platform. That's definitely going to need to be repaired. Again, the connections back into the building need to be, all that rust needs to be removed. Possibly might need to sister some of these pieces, but a lot of work that's going to need to be done on this. I'm going to try to take a video from down below, but I get back to the ladder here. I didn't drop the ladder, but it looks like it has not been serviced. I don't see any sticker on it that it's been serviced in the last year, so before we pass it, it has to be, we're going to make sure that this is tested. That can be done by a company locally, and make sure that it's been greased properly, the cable's in good order, all the mechanism is in good order. I never like to see anything like this, but other than that, I mean, it's again original hardware. So this system is definitely going to need a little bit of loving care and some work. If you have any questions, Fire Escape Engineers, 866-649-0333.